Welcome back, everyone. In this tutorial today, we are going to discuss about HTML line breaks. Quickly, let's get started. HTML line breaks. The HTML BR element defines a line break. Use BR tag if you want a line break, a new line, without starting a new paragraph. What is the meaning of this? A new line without starting a new paragraph. That is, you can write a paragraph. In our former video, we discussed a P paragraph. This is open and closing P paragraph tag. This is a paragraph tag. So let's say we want to write another paragraph tag. We can jump and write another P for paragraph tag. This is another paragraph tag with paragraph used to have opening and closing tag. Now, let's say you have this paragraph tag and you want to jump. Let's say instead of having these two paragraphs here, you want to break a line. Let me give you a quick example to understand this much better. Let's copy our code and come back to our file in our former document. This is where we stop. If you are following along, paste this, save it. Let's see how it looks in our browser. Reload it. Let's clear it. We already have enough text that we can use to practice here. Let's say we want to break a page here. Come to your document. Here we need this place. We want to break something behind these contents. You will write your BR tag here and save it. Let's reload the document. Can you see how it jumps? This jumps without writing another P tag like this, without doing like this and like this again. I think you can understand the point. When we do like that, can you see what happens? This jumps. It jumps. Let me clear this so you can see what I'm talking about clearly. Can you see? This jumps with more paragraphs, more margins here. But when we use the line breaks, let's delete this and put a line break here. BR tag, that is the line break. You will see this place will come closer. Let's reload it and see how it looks. As you can see, the gap is not too big. That is the benefit of using BR tag. In case you want to break this page without having much margin, you want to give it a very clean margin and break the page. Now we have break the P tag with BR tag. If we don't use BR tag, let's see how it looks. Everything here will be on the same page on one line. Let's load our document. Can you see? But we can put a BR again in the source code anywhere we want on this P tag. Let's break it like this because we want to have the document to look like this. So let's do it like this. BR tag here, another one here, another one here, here. I think it's enough now. Let's reload our document to see how it works. Wow, it works. This works better. As you can see, if we say we use P tag, this thing will be much bigger. It will be what? It will be much bigger to use P tag here. If we enclose our text with P tag inside another P tag, it will give it much paragraph, much margin. Let's save it. You will see the gap here will be much more bigger. Can you see how it works? Because we next the P tag with another P tag with another P tag, P tag, P tag. So we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are having 5 P tags to write this one code. Instead of having 5 P tags, you can just use BR tag to be able to control the margin. Let's reload after putting BR tag. Can you see? It looks more decent and we can control it if we want. We can control it individually. This one can have style attributes. I have font size. Let's say 200 pixels. The font size may work better, but it may not work better. Let's test it how it looks. Can you see? It doesn't work on BR tag. because the BR tag is not displaying anything. That is how it works. If BR tag displays something, definitely this font size that we are adding here may fortunately works. Let's test it on the other PR tag to see how it works. Reload it. Can you see? It gives nothing because it's not like the HR tag that we discussed in the former video. The HR tag displays something. Let's turn this to HR to see how it looks. Can you see? Because HR displays something, that's why the font size works along with it. Can you see? Can you see how it works? As you can see how it works. Can you see? The BR tag is not displaying anything. That's why the font size, the style attributes is not working with it. Definitely, we get to understand that any empty tag that is not displaying anything, the style attributes may not work with it. Luckily, the HR tag is displaying something. That's why the style attribute works with it. I think you get the point today. So that is the benefit of using BR tag. I think we will have to stop today. My name is Anwar Akorede Ayofe once again. Have a great day and thank you so much. Bye bye.